Hi guys, welcome back. This is 20 Gaming again. We're another Enigma F Sepia content in this video. We're gonna be talking about the new event that I'm gonna be showing to you guys. But before we do that, please do consider subscribing to the channel, like, hit the bell icon, and if you want any questions, comment down below. Hopefully, I can answer your questions. Again, this game is so pay to win, but you can still enjoy it as it is as a free to play. Or if you want to spend just $1 or $2, that would be really helpful. I think if you want to catch that VIP one. Okay, so again, just to preface, if you're playing these kinds of games, idol collector gacha kind of game, auto battler in this kind of situation, just like Ecocalypse and whatnot. So the starting when you start the game, when you boot the game, the first event you will have is the Sepia event. Second event would be the Shikigami and the Sukuna event, and the third event is what I'm gonna be showing you. It is the Gojo event. Currently now, the Sukuna event is this one is 12 days. I'm currently now 4 more days remaining. Most likely, hopefully, I can get the new Shikigami there. But like Azure Eye is the new event. As you can see, Gojo Satoru, you can get her. My suggestion is, guys, always remember as my guide in save your gems. Use the gems to try to if there's any condition wherein you need to refresh multiple times, then you can do so with that so that you can get shards of Satoru Gojo. Gojo, you need 10 shards for it to be for you to acquire him. Just like what happened in my time when I had Sukuna, I was able to get Sukuna by trying to refresh, trying to clear the condition by doing that. But like in order for you to do that, you need at least rubies. And I think fairly when you're at 25,000 rubies, that's the time, or diamonds, that's the time you stop and use that so that you can clear the conditions. Okay, so right now I'm at I had 3 shards already, so you need to have at least 1,000 pieces of Daifuku. Okay, you need to have like 10, like is it 10,000, like 100,000 Daifuku pieces for you to get 1 shard. Don't pull for any of this. Focus on the shards before you go ahead and go crazy on this. Okay, that's my advice there above above everything else, and you'll be able to get that. So again, there's gonna be a limitless battle here. Just clear whatever you can clear here, and you can clear the missions here. They're gonna give you Daifukus here, and then after the limitless battle, you can go to Heavenly Path. This is the mini games. You just jump on the boxes, so you can clear missions here as well, so that you can get rewards. So I'll give you a sample. So just hold on to that. So just skip, hold on, skip. But when it gets harder, going into the 50th point, there's no more line. But at least you have the cursor. So that's your cursor is technically your guide, but not quite. Okay? So when you do that, see the dailies, you claim that, claim everything here. You still need to do everything so that you'll be able to clear that. So also you can go with the reverse tutorial as well. This is your idol. You put in your best characters here. You can just auto, and then it auto puts everybody here, and then you can claim it once you're idling. Okay? So then Void Abyss puzzles. This is gonna be your puzzles. Clear this one every day so that you'll be able to get a free skin of Giselle. Okay, free skin of Giselle. Just need to clear the events here, and then the star summon. Like this one is coming soon. Star summon, when you go here, you might have a chance to get him on this, but I doubt it. It's very hard to get this character here. So again, that's quite it. It's very easy. Just go in, play what you want, clear all of the events in store for you. Don't spend anything on the Daifuku. Spend your Daifuku on the shards itself, and hopefully you'll be able to get the shards of 10 pieces for you to complete Gojo Satoru. Just like what I did with Sukuna. I'll show you my Sukuna here. Unfortunately, Sukuna is, you need lots of memories here, or lots of copies for you to have just just a glimpse of the power of the character. But I already have this Satoru. Anyways, you can have Satoru as a try character. This is just only trial countdown, if a trial character, if you want to play with her. But I have now Sukuna. Unfortunately, you need more copies of Sukuna, but in order for you to do that, you need to open up lots of stars for the characters, preferably 4 stars to open up all of the skills. I'm currently focusing on Vespera, so currently I need 1 more star to open up everything here, so that at least I can use her at to star 5. This is my focus. Do one by one. Don't spread out, especially your UR characters. Like maybe like spend up to like star 5, then proceed to another UR character, then play around and whatever you have. So hopefully you guys like this video. Again, don't be shocked if you don't have the Gojo event, because if you just join the event, join the game, you're just gonna be getting the Sepia event first, and then so on and so forth. Don't fret, you're gonna get there. Just play, enjoy the game. Try to be free to play, or maybe if you want to spend a couple of dollars or two, then it's up to you. But like I said, just don't spend too much, okay? They just want your money here. You can enjoy the game without even paying, okay? Hopefully, you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. This is 2100 Gaming, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.